Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the latest edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including Goldberg WrestleMania 37 opponent revealed, while top tier Raw Superstar list for 2020 also revealed, and many more other interesting WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE update. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 6 is Goldberg WrestleMania 37 opponent revealed. The last we see Goldberg in WWE ring was at WrestleMania 36 when he lost Universal Championship to Braun Strowman. Initially, Braun Strowman was not opponent for Goldberg, but Roman Reigns was the original opponent that Goldberg faced at WrestleMania 36. But Roman Reigns opted himself out from that match and Braun Strowman replaced him. Now things are changed as Roman Reigns is our Universal Champion after a make WWE return at SummerSlam 2020. While other end Goldberg already take a initiate and show his desire to face Roman Reigns on his return. Now WWE rumors stated that we could finally see Roman Reigns versus Goldberg this time at WrestleMania 37. Here is WWE news. Right now it's looking like Daniel Bryan or Goldberg is most likely opponent for Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 37. WWE already returns two plans for Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 37 match. If Goldberg not available for the match at WrestleMania, then WWE penciled Daniel Bryan's name as a Roman Reigns opponent for WrestleMania 37. Here is WWE update. Right now, I would like to Bryan and Goldberg would be the top contender for Roman Reigns match at Mania. Bryan's give you a better match and Goldberg give you him a more mainstream interest, which is lots of said and when you are bringing guys who prime year would be the 23 years earlier instead of having a series of challengers ready to people should care about more because of current. So would you like to see Roman Reigns face Goldberg or Daniel Bryan at WrestleMania 13? Tell us in comment section. Number 5, the top tier first Raw Superstar list for 2021 revealed. Last week the top and first tier list of SmackDown Superstar for 2020 was revealed. Now the same list from the Raw brand is also revealed. The Raw list also gets some surprising with some names. Just like SmackDown's list, Raw list is also categorized from A+ grade to F grade. In this list, we can find names like Becky Lynch. We cannot find names like Becky Lynch and Naomi because they are away from WWE actions right now. In A+ category, there are 4 superstars present, including current WWE champion Drew McIntyre, Randy Orton, The Fiend, and Charlotte Flair. Surprisingly, current Raw Women's champion Asuka's name not in the list of A+ category. Asuka was listed in A category with AJ Styles and Alexa Bliss. If we look at the bottom of the list, then there is a F category present. And in that category, superstars listed are Akira Tozawa, the Bakato, one half for former Raw Tag Team Champions Eric, Lucha House Party, Humberto Carrillo, Titus O'Neil, and Tucker. Number 4 is two top WWE superstars announced their entries in Royal Rumble 2021 match. During a backstage interview on the latest episode of Raw, current one half of Women's Tag Team Champion Charlotte Flair confirmed his entry in Royal Rumble 2021 match. Now Charlotte Flair joined Nia Jax as a participants of the Royal Rumble match. Here is Charlotte Flair's announcement. The advice I would give to the woman is don't listen to the critics. Last year I wasn't favorite to win and you know what I did. I defeated the odds and I won the Royal Rumble in 2020. That's why I am going to declare myself for 2021 Royal Rumble and define the odds again. Since the last 2 years, Charlotte Flair's Royal Rumble match record is the outstanding. In 2019 Royal Rumble match, she became a runner-up where she was eliminated by winner of that match, Becky Lynch. Then in the 2020 Royal Rumble match, Charlotte Flair again put an impressive performance and this time she not repeat her previous mistake of becoming runners-up. Charlotte Flair eliminated last competitor Shayna Baszler and became Royal Rumble 2020 winner. After Charlotte Flair, now AJ Styles also announced his entry in Royal Rumble 2021 match. This is the third time that AJ Styles participating in the Royal Rumble match. On social media, AJ Styles confirmed his entry in the match. Styles said that WWE fans that 2021 start on the good note with his announcement. He also said that now forget about 2020 and focus on 2021. He also reminded fans about his WWE debut which also happened in Royal Rumble match in 2016. Here is what AJ Styles says. Forget about last year. It's wash. Nobody wants to remember 2020. The only Royal Rumble you should remember in 2016. Introduce himself to the WWE Universe. So with this announcement, AJ Styles looking for a Royal Rumble match and so he can push himself towards a title shot. AJ Styles believed that he was screwed up during his title match against Drew McIntyre at TLC 2020 pay-per-view. So if AJ Styles won 2020 Royal Rumble match, then he also has a chance to challenge either Drew McIntyre or Roman Reigns and won either WWE or Universal Championship. Number 3 is Keith Lee spoke about his dream opponent. In a recent interview, Keith Lee talked about which superstar that he liked to face in WWE. Since Keith Lee main roster debut, he already faced few top WWE superstars like Drew McIntyre, Randy Orton and AJ Styles. Then Keith Lee also discussed about facing Brock Lesnar. In Royal Rumble 2020 match, Keith Lee came face to face with the Beast incarnate. Lee said that Brock Lesnar is the top in the list of superstars that he wants to face in WWE. Here is what Keith Lee says. I think Brock Lesnar has to be at the top of the list based on the people. Obviously, there is some inconclusive things with Brock Lesnar and with Roman. And those are the two things I know they want. If I could have knocked down, drag out battle with Cesaro, that is the one thing that I want. There are other guys I would be honored to battle it out with Shinsuke Nakamura. But I want to be handcuffed off. I know what these guys are capable of. And when they are cut loose, I want to battle their top tiers all the times. During that interview, Keith Lee also spoke about his meeting with WWE Hall of Famer Goldberg during WrestleMania 34. Here is what Keith Lee says. I was hanging out with some friends, a group of fans were hanging out around us and Goldberg comes walking down the street. One of the fans was like, Goldberg, he stopped and he's very intense guy. So he all like starting at a hall at the this dude. This man does not flinch. The fan goes, you see this man right here? He's Keith Lee and he is going to come to WWE and beat you one day. He grins a little bit and says, whenever you get there, change nothing about you. Which is come to mean he was the idea. Who I am in, I am like, wait, what? And then this shook me my hands and keep walking. That is super unexpected. Goldberg hold a little special place in my heart because of that. So would you like to see Keith Lee face Brock Lesnar or Goldberg at some point down the line? Sound off in comment section. Number 2 is Vince McMahon not look convinced at backstage. This is a time when McMahon had to make big decisions about WWE product because of the next few months are very crucial. Royal Rumble is 2021's next WWE pay-per-view and from that night, Road to WrestleMania 37 officially starts. But right now, the backstage atmosphere is not looking too good. WWE latest news and rumors suggested that Vince McMahon is still unpredictable backstage for WWE plans. WWE reports stated that every now and then Vince McMahon changed source script and now it's quite normal. Vince McMahon is now not looking well backstage. Here is WWE rumors says. As with everything WWE related, its Royal Rumble plans could turn on the dime depending on Vince McMahon's mood at the time. As for Vince, he is increasingly being called widely unpredictable. It's also been stated that he is not looking well either. So it's quite challenging job for WWE's creative team to make Vince McMahon happy with their scripts. In the past so many times Vince McMahon rewrites script of Raw and SmackDown episodes just hours before the show went on air. Another recent WWE's decision, Vince McMahon's decision surprising us that he sent few WWE superstars to Performance Center for further training, and the most shocking name on the list was Keith Lee. From the bulk of WWE superstars released in April 2020 to WWE superstars sent back to Performance Center for training, Vince McMahon already took much shocking decision during all 2020 year, which is hurt superstars as well as the fans. We hope that now the Royal Rumble and then WrestleMania season ahead, so Vince McMahon get better of his decision making ability about WWE plans for a big pay-per-views. Number 1 is Jerry Lawler WWE contract expires. According to WWE reports, WWE Hall of Famer Jerry Lawler's WWE contract is set to expire in few days. In one episode of his podcast, Jerry Lawler revealed that his WWE contract expired at the start of January 2020. So 8th of January 2021 is the date when Jerry Lawler's WWE contract expires. Till now there is no official words on Jerry Lawler's resigning WWE contract. So right now Jerry Lawler's WWE status is pure speculation. Jerry Lawler's last seen in WWE TV was in April 2020. In September 2020, Jerry Lawler celebrated his 50 years in pro wrestling business. So we can say that Jerry Lawler is the most experienced person on WWE commentary team as well as the most experienced person in all WWE. So this is all from our today's video. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.